King's Daughters Medical Center is a nonprofit hospital. Nonprofit hospitals are required to complete a community health needs assessment, otherwise known as China, every 3 years. The purpose of the assessment is to identify significant health needs that are prominent in the community and develop strategies to assist in addressing those needs. To help educate the community on those needs, KDMC introduced Community Health Interactive Portals, otherwise known as kiosks, into the community. These kiosks provide readily available health information based on the health concerns found in the assessment. They are conveniently placed around town at the following locations: the KDMC Outpatient Lobby, LaRue's Drugs, Clint's Pharmacy, Brookhaven Lincoln County Government Complex, and Lincoln County Library. On the kiosk, you can search for a specific provider, physician or nurse practitioner. If you know the provider's name that you are looking for, you can search by last name. If you are looking for a doctor in a specific field, you can search under the specialty category. You can look here to see the list of the providers at a certain clinic. Under each physician's profile, you will see their clinic location and phone number. To go back to the home screen, you will click the Home button at the bottom right of the screen. The video library has a tab for each of the prominent health concerns found in the Community Health Needs Assessment. A short educational video is available for each topic. In the sidebar on the left, you can click Learn More to read more about that specific topic, as well as any class that King's Daughters Medical Center may provide relevant to this need. Lastly, under the Content library, you can search for any health-related topic that you may want education on. If you find something that interests you, you have the ability to email it to yourself or to a friend. Health quizzes are available for most topics and can also be found in the Content library. These quizzes are general in nature, but they do give some guidelines on symptoms and treating illnesses. Always consult your physician before diagnosing and self-treating. All of this content and more can also be accessed on our website at kdmc.org. KDMC is in our community.